Hi everyone, welcome to April 30th. I hope that you are all doing well. We're in Math 8, and when this all first started happening with school closures, I realized we're going to miss Pi Day. So Pi Day was actually on March 14th, and so I owe you real pie. And so if I mailed it, I think it would squish or it could go bad. So your job's going to be to remind me when we return to school, I owe you pie. All right, so today we're going to watch a couple of videos about pi, and then you're going to practice with two printed worksheets that are in packet 3. Hopefully, again, you have received that. One is going to be titled Circumference, Pi, and Circle Questions, and then you'll practice using pi to find the area of a circle. But first, let's go ahead and look at a couple of videos about pi. Okay, so I'm going to use the first video is from PBS Learning Media, and pi, as you see right here, spelled P-I, not P-I-E, that we want to have to eat, but Pi Day is a celebration of pi, an important concept in math. Pi Day happens again on March 14th because pi begins with 3.14. So remember, March is the third month of each year and the 14th day, so it's on March 14th, and it usually is celebrated with tasty pies. So let me show you this clip right here.
March 14th is Pi Day. Pi, which is represented by this symbol, is a very special ratio. A ratio is a relationship between two numbers, like 10 to 1 or 1/2. Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference, the distance around the circle, to its diameter, the distance across the center of the circle. No matter how big or small the circle is, this ratio is always pi, or approximately 3.14. We use the approximate value of pi because that's a lot easier than using its true value, 3.14159265358979, which actually goes on forever. That's what makes it such an amazing ratio. Scientists and mathematicians use pi all the time in geometry to find the size of circular objects like wheels and planets. It all comes back to pi. In 1988, a physicist named Larry Shaw even held a party to honor pi. He chose the 14th of March, 314, just like pi. He and his colleagues ate pi, walked in circles, and recited as many digits of pi as they could remember. Celebrating mathematics, and specifically pi, was so much fun that in 2009, the government officially recognized Pi Day. How do you use circles in your life every day?
Okay, the next review video I'm going to show you about pi is coming from vocabulary. So I'll show you this video clip and then we'll do a quick review.
They didn't exactly understand.
We start at the beginning. Okay, here we go.
Represents the ratio of a circle circumference to diameter in math. We call that 3.14, 3.14, 3.14. Pi is a symbol that represents the ratio of a circle circumference to diameter in math. We call that 3.14, 3.14, 3.14. For many years, circles confused scientists. They didn't exactly understand the relationship between circumference, diameter, and radius. So they were still tripping, felt like there was something missing. Wait, let me backtrack and explain terms. You gotta have your peas and carrots before the dessert. Before we go any further, history you need to learn. Then we can get to the symbol with the familiar word. Circumference is the distance around a circle. It surrounds the circle. Now split down the circle. That would be diameter, the distance across. To split a hula hoop if you're feeling lost. Now the radius is the distance from the center to the circumference. If you divide the circumference by the diameter, you get the same number every time. It don't matter, bruh. Pi is a symbol that represents the ratio of a circle circumference to diameter in math. We call that 3.14, 3.14, 3.14. Pi is a symbol that represents the ratio of a circle circumference to diameter in math. We call that 3.14, 3.14, 3.14. We use pi to calculate the measurement of circles. Ain't it great? We love it so much I got a holiday. March 14th, hey, let's celebrate. Here's some rules to live by. Took a few notes, you give it a try. Circumference divided by diameter equals pi, and it works every time. Because you know that formula, it's never to memorize. Wanna find the circumference? Use 2 pi r, that's the line. Pi is your best friend, know why? It's dependable, won't change overnight. And a rational number, it never ends. Use 3.14 simplified. We use pi to find the area of a circle. Just take the radius squared times pi and you got it right there. Use pi to find the volume of geometric solids like cones and spheres and cylinders. Oh yeah, if you look around, ain't nothing like pi. It's clearly unique, just like you and I. Use it if you're wise, could save you some time. Who knew there could be such power in a little sign? Wanna know something neat? The symbol is Greek. We've been using the letters since the mid-18th century. Its earliest use was in Egypt and Babylon. For thousands of years, it's been helping us solve our problems.
Okay, let's look at the quick review, and what I'll do is I'll read the question to you, and you can say the answer out loud or to yourself. What symbol represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter? Pi. What numerical value can we use to approximate pi? 3.14. The distance around a circle is called the circumference. The diameter is the blank a circle through the center. Across. The blank is half the diameter of a circle. Radius. True or false? If you divide the circumference of a circle by its diameter, you get the same number every time. True. When is the holiday for pi? March 14th. The formula for the blank of a circle is 2 pi. Diameter. What is the formula for the area of a circle? Pi r squared. What alphabet does the symbol pi come from? Greek. In packet 3 that I mailed home to you, you should have a formula sheet. And so I just wanted you to reference the formula sheet for today. You see right here the symbol for pi, 3.14 is how we will use it for today's lesson. And we're going to solve for area. So area right here, it's A equals pi r squared. And so you see the circle here, and it labels for you the radius. So r stands for the radius. So I'm going to have you complete 2 worksheets today. Again, these 2 worksheets should be in your packet 3. The first one is titled Circumference, Pi, and Circle Questions. So I'm going to ask you to go through these questions and answer them as best as you can. Now, like I like to say, don't quote me, but I think the answers are on the other side. I am not sure. I will tell you, when I ran into our school, I had gloves and a mask on as I was trying to make this package 3 for you, and so I may have provided the answers, but don't quote me on that. So just in case, you turn it over and say, hey, she gave us the answers. I'll tell you, I kind of did it on purpose, but I wanted you again to know the answers for this. So if I did not provide the answers for you, you can email me, and then I will send the answers to you, or perhaps show you in a future lesson. The second worksheet I would like you to practice today using area of circle is in, again, packet 3, titled area of circle. And so what you're going to do to find the area of a circle is you're going to use the formula pi times radius squared equals area. And so this is how it's viewed right here. The symbol right here under the cursor is 3.14. R stands for the radius, and you're going to square that. So the circle pictured here has a radius of 5 centimeters. So you can write down your radius is 5 centimeters and pi is 3 times 1, 4. So to plug it into your formula, you have 3.14 times 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And so what I would do, as they have done here, is go ahead and solve what's in your parentheses first, your r squared. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then you multiply that by 3.14 to get your area. And so again, try your best with this to solve these practice problems for today. And just to make sure that you're on the right track, I'll give you a sneak peek for the first 3 answers. So still want you to practice, but just to make sure you're finding the answer correctly, here's the answer for A, B, and C. So again, your job's going to be to remind me when we return to school that I owe you pi. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please have your parent reach out to me through email, and I can email you back or call you if you have any other questions that you would rather speak to me. That is fine too. I will talk to you later.